Hello, welcome to Come Draw With Me. Today we're going to draw Lani from the show Tayo Little Bus. Lani is the yellow one with the root number 02. In this tutorial, I'm going to try something a bit different from last time. I'm going to start with the general shape of the bus rather than focusing on the details on the front first. This should be easier to draw, but I don't know. Let me know in the comment. So this is the general shape of the bus with the front bumper as well. And now I'm going to draw the wheels. This time I will not forget to add the fourth wheel. There it is. I don't know if you noticed, but in the last drawing tutorial that I made, the Tayo one, I actually forgot to put the fourth wheel because it's on the far side of the bus, but this time I will not forget. So yeah, go take a look at my previous videos and see whether you can spot that there are only 3 wheels that I put there. But for this video, I'm going to put 4th wheel. So I'm not forget that. And add a bit of shadow for the front bumper and the bolts here. And now the turn signals there and here. The turn signals is the lamp that will turn on to show other vehicles that the bus is going to make either left turn or right turn. It's very important to avoid accidents. And that's a side view mirror, and I'm going to add the glass panel on the side of the bus there. There we go. There we have it. And now let's add the details to the front side of the bus, or the face of the character Lani. Now the windshield is basically just a rectangle shape here at the front. And the lamp here to show whether the bus is going or whether the bus is full. I think that's what the lamps are for, but I'll look it up and let you know in the next video. And this is the root. For Lani, the root is 02, so let's write that. There we go. And this is the lamps I was talking about. I think it's supposed to let you know whether the bus is full or whether it's going to stop. But I'll look up and I'll let you know. Now this is the eyes, which also serve as the headlights of the bus. Lani has nose, whereas Tayo didn't actually have a nose. I just noticed that because I'm drawing it. I didn't notice that before. Another radiator ventilation. This is also the mouth, the same as Tayo from before. And the eyebrows. I didn't realize the eyebrows are also the wiper. Did you realize that? Because I didn't. Just realize it now, drawing it. When I was watching it, I didn't actually realize that the eyebrows are supposed to be the wipers for the windshield. Okay, now this is the air intake, we call it. Basically, it's a ventilation to let air into the bus. And we're done. Now for the last part is just the outline. Oh, I actually forgot this side view mirror. It could be dangerous driving with only one side view mirror, so I'm going to draw that to make it safe. And now this is the outline for the whole character. And there we have it. I'm just going to block some blacks there and add some white to the eye to make it look more alive. Okay, there we have it, Lani from the show Tayo, the Little Bus. I hope you liked the drawing. I hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.